In this video, we are going to see online fee payment wizard. For this, there is a screen as fees on a parent or a student dashboard. On this screen, all the fee details are displayed. To pay fee online, select fee and click on pay online button. This will open a fee payment wizard. On the first step, amount details are displayed as payable amount, late fee amount if any, and amount to be paid including payable and late fee amount. Payment date and remarks are also displayed. There is a link to view processing charges and service tax for different banks and credit and debit card. These banks may differ as bank selection will happen at payment gateway. Click on pay button to move further. On the second step, we need to select a payment type as bank payment or a card payment. Let's select bank payment type. Here, as bank selection will happen at payment gateway, we cannot define processing charges here. Therefore, the note is displayed as rupees 7 to 10 depending on a bank selection. Service tax is displayed here. Click on proceed to pay button. This will open a third step to confirm the amount. As we selected a bank payment but bank is not selected, that's why this payable amount will be displayed by excluding the processing charges and service tax. Click on confirm button. This will redirect user to PayU site where user can select a bank whichever he want and click on pay now button. This will redirect user to the bank site. After completing the payment process, user will be redirected to the fourth step, that is completion step. This will indicate that your fee payment is successfully received. Similarly, you can pay fee using debit or a credit card. Select fee, click on pay online, follow the steps. On the second step, you need to select a type as a credit card payment. As processing charges and service tax for a card payment is known, we can calculate the amount including processing charges and service tax and displayed here. Click on proceed to pay button. On the third step, amount is displayed which is including processing charges and service tax. Click on confirm button. This will redirect user to the Axis Bank gateway where you need to select a card type as a Visa or a MasterCard and complete the payment process. Once the payment process is completed, user will be redirected to the fourth step of completion to indicate that fee payment is received successfully. After successful fee payment, user can check receipt for that fee payment using this receipt link. This is the working of an online fee payment wizard.